This problem had two questions to it. In a previous video, we solved for A, question A, and in this video, we're solving for question B. So let's go back up and review what it is that they've given us up here. So they tell us time in seconds for a swinging pendulum to complete one full cycle is given by the function t is equal to 2/10 times the square root of L, where L is the length of the pendulum in centimeters. So let's go ahead and look at that again. So a pendulum is something that's swinging like in a clock, a weight on the string. And one full cycle is there and back, where this is the length and there and back is the time that it takes. So they give us our equation. T is equal to 0.2 square root of L, where L is the length of the pendulum and T is in seconds, and that's one full cycle. Okay, so let's see what the next question asks us here. So how long in centimeters to the nearest tenth is a pendulum that takes 2 seconds for one full cycle? So because they're saying to the nearest tenth, it means I do not need to keep it in radical form. So what have they given me? They've given me seconds. So I know that my time is 2 seconds. So I'm solving for L. So that means 2 is equal to 2/10 times the square root of L. So since 2/10 is being multiplied to the square root of L, I need to divide by 2/10. So you can always go to your calculator, and 2 divided by 2/10 gives me 10. So don't get confused with this problem and the one that you had previously, because the one you had previously the length was 10, not the time. So don't think it's going to be the same answer. That won't make sense. So we have to solve for L. So in order to undo the square root, we have to square both sides. So you can see right away it's going to be different. So 10 squared is 100, and this is going to be in centimeters. 100 centimeters is equal to the length of the pendulum. So a pendulum that's 100 centimeters long will take 2 seconds to complete one cycle.